It's here for Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, Mr. And there, your first time, subscribe and click the notification bell on so am I. We understand latest news be about one sa Ebeka Metro Senior Bessa na Tresse with this so pepe am I about screen so. Mr. Ban with this so am I. I don't know that screen so Siciano. We are number now at that screen as and wait to me a friend now. Na ya chicken come on. Yanko and there in sem so. Okay, before I ever consent on the your Facebook page, link no our description box no more. I am Crofocus say I in your Facebook live and you be your Facebook live very soon. But answer your be no Mr. More like your Facebook page no mind you call live and ammonia notification. It's for young consent so I think last year these people were actually beefing Rosemont Brown and Zandy Camel, one more young Crophobia na one more did you want them last year no more did you want them. Now this year no yenya video bia na yehu video bia one more make piece in go for bebre need say at least and finally Rosemont Brown and Zandy Camel omo make a year piece. Now and that I think the two fraction no yes beef asanso aba na ni na say womu nia womu ko share was set na set na say ye ni nim say Tracy Boache or ye new movie and friend Baby Mama na movie no omo premiere kran na nyama na womu ko share was set ne so na nyama kokko so na say a very popular blogger ewo Instagram I friend those called celebs a very popular blog ewo Instagram I friend those called celebs so then send me betu just say say they see and say Zandy Camel ako make complain ama Tracy Boache say those called celebs no waka share equipping polo say me equipping polo and hype Tracy Boache ni new movie no inti no eno ne nsema eba abonten those called celebs no obeka say nkrofo akọ report equipping polo ama Tracy Boache say we know those called celebs no was say ma equipping polo and hype Tracy Boache movie no na it's here for some who name the relationship between equipping polo and those called celebs equipping polo better than equipping polo Ghana for Begina Tuma Ghana for ebe follow ni niano those called celebs na yeah na say din equipping polo ne kran no those called celebs no this are din no man no no dey din what the system nim na or no any din Rosemont Brown and those called celebs no na o type posti ni videos and what two ni din equipping polo and I say din equipping polo no be kai into no that's the relationship between equipping polo and those called celeb into no and only in sema aba says and the camel like catch Tracy Boache say those called celebs say ma equipping polo and promote Tracy Boache no movie no embra equipping polo na kasa wo movie nim no into way and then sem no eba for in some way ya mu na Zandy Camel eba bonten and Zandy Camel eba bonten ebe ye video say what say equipping polo can say na equipping polo ko country those called celebs say or no Zandy Camel no wa report equipping polo na ma Tracy Boache no na equipping polo no those called celebs then no betum dia or no Zandy Camel na Zandy Camel the two so say who equipping polo movie na ye call ye no set na se na ye call ye no who equipping polo sebe wo ko ye ho dwe was set na se na a very popular Kumasi based musician ebe fa wo de ne ko ne fie ko champagne mu ma o ko real fine etie for and then sama Zandy Camel let the two jaw nti yenko tie no ne ko tie no a me de equipping polo ne response nso ebe bro ene asenia Zandy Camel wo be bu dua and then wadani dua no nti no yenko tie Zandy Camel the first video what the babontin we beka say Kumasi ni bi ebe fa equipping polo free set in Germany yenko tie sansem no
equipping polo hu ya mesre keke o report me ama hwan those call celebs na wo abodan won on na report me ama no o ye mebusu epinya na o ye menne na o ye messe ono he me so to do so hye me wa bodam wo bana manye se wo ba set no so no obi undermine no Rosemont ka bedru ya na o mo se ne Rosemont aba superstar ontwe ne sin no nko wona wo se lose din kra ono wa wo foforo so jane batu fie be sense no so if you want 12 am ono so Vivian Lawrence we tell the bucket to fie abese ma dia asa wona wo se nkwaku me no na hwan o ehwe na wo bona mane say so say na obi andama na dey no wo kai ka kire those wo so those course celebs no say wo ba set no so no obi ever fa wo koni fie kodi wo free wo kuma so no ye wo se fufuo e wo kuma se krom me fa ho makra na ya nkaka say na say ne masanka me ho bio mo me mpem kwasiasem e fa wo mete kra wo be kan some usan so tran track home. Don't let me bring details out. What bodam kwasia get John
etie for emsensem no mo atibi nti zan the camera adi video we ba bonten no ene kia pimpolo na nkasa ba bonten be tre se nipa kra zan the camera eka se wo be fa no ekoni fie no yes ono kia pimpolo na nkasa be kan kra wo say yes your brother Sami gospel musician brother Sami ena wo fa kia pimpolo eko eno brother Sami ni fie na de ntia wo call brother Sami ni fie kra no and say yen say brother Sami and say what bad news ni mo say FDA for action no say the miracle water be was it the entire brother Sami be fan e koye kra and say brother Sami say what per say onu ekiapimpolo no wo ye advert emma no for a year ne water no dey ba no enti ne ekiapimpolo posti advert ne kra to prove say indeed enu nti no call brother Sami fie na enu nti na brother Sami be fan ko ni fie no enti en go tie sa advert na ekiapimpolo be posti ye no na wo wie ye no wo sanso e posti video bi extras and the camera say in fact even if the pakone kra what dem ko ni fie say wo konwe mi asebe enye otonga but to the yen kongo tie eye advert na wi ana ya ba ne ya betia so
careful someone as you know Rosemary I don't talk about faith. Here I come to brother Sami divine healing water. This medicine. Someone say once and you now we Ghana, we are seeing. When hepatitis B, kumayadie, HIV, go no papa. So I want diabetic here I am making a Muslim in way, diabetic esabi. Little ocho, quantity, brother Sami. I'm going to make fake assem because me too, me a judge. Show me shape. It is so person my young hepatitis B and a diabetic HIV a high and papa. Me say only me that I some now show moody because they say a back the poucho. Me recommend it, brother Sami, divine healing.
Therefore, intino ekiapimpolo say brother Sami fa wa be fa ne free set ne so eko ne fie no enya say brother Sami eko wo no say fufu se ne ana zandi camel air no I say ye advert we hunti na brother Sami be fa ne koye but people also release video zandi camel attempt say wo no wo ye hippopotamus na I don't beef with hippopotamus like you no say hippopotamus ne kan mama no afem I say I don't beef with hippopotamus like you. Not just say well body shame yes and the camera no because ono ekiapimpolo no ye ado ye tiado nko into no you go tie nsema body tuja
people like President Shino Panama Cafe Moisha this week not an hippopotamus like you and master if someone fuck me Kumasi is my pussy your pussy think about yourself you that you are begging a bunny father for iPhone X Max since last year you started doing video for me. Have you seen me talking back to you? Never. When I came to Tracy Boasi's set, you were attaching yourself to me. You think I'm a fool, I'm wise. You were a pretender. You came to me to do videos and you were posting it on your page. Did you see me rushing posting you? Because you are fake. Mind yourself. Your face like pleko. You have not toy.
It's here for you know me assure say at this particular point who follow story ni ye pa na aha say no ensema ekiapimpolo won also kan of video we mu say zandi camera o ko pa ebony papa chow say won ma iPhone X Max no eno na ma zandi camera obu be fu ya wo ba bonte ebe boy ekiapimpolo dia na tie for dia no enye easy na semu ni ma zandi camera obi abo free no formerly it was part of Water region but this year abeg dane eye oti omo de aka oti region hono na zandi camel ebo eye ni krombo som kese a ewo ho edin e ka se wo de ekiapimpolo ni fiefo ni na ni generation ni na wo de twaso na te se dia bode tefo nye easy o na me hu dia bona na me ka se dia bo we die ano den na te se zandi camel ni buefu yie papa etefo yenko tie se dia bono na ye wia enyama e follow after saa duabo no me de eno so be bro nti yenko tie duabo no
adia mechi entro e ma brabo Rosemond Brown o say me masere boni papa 5 next month kini mo se woni nyansa me de duabo e beto asama waka ni nyina so Rosemond, I don't know where you had your information from about me. So me say me share boni papa ni nkomoda. Me number, me nsre na hwe. There was a son at the end Rosemond. Me papa sama ni na sama ni mu nyina ni wundi no nyu. Ade ye fe ni yeyo enfi wa brabom. Rosemond nsa ni me de gu foma me krom krache bente bosom. Rosemond Brown, unu nsu a unu nsu ni nkomo. Utwa ka akwan mu a one ka eni nkomo. Me de wo incoming generation we busuafo nyina de ye mpatai e ma krache bente bosom. Next time, open information, get the real facts about someone. Duaboy, me never say me that name Duabon, so no one should come to me. Me that say.
It's here for Duabone dear, very serious. Extremely serious. Hey, that is all no Rosemond Brown on the bushia for and the bush you need be to debut or join the home. Now for you, the neighbor Fred Duabon. Oh, Ghana. Now me first, me who Duabone na me can say, Zandy Campbell. Wait dear, as a buffon. Abroso as a buffon abroso. The first thing I'm kind of say, Zandy, we dear to me say we both eman abroso, Mistrel, wait dear, and ya dear so ye. Na Medana Miase say in Crawford and Zandy Camel Cassa. I was initially the work I say, more beyond friend and Cassa one medan and one done. But Medana Miase say in Crawford and Cassaya and there was so about out, abedane. Yes, I do abonnent. Young Concotier, send ya me day the abonne brown, no young Concotier send ya what done Diane so.
Anano. What is she, Basamba winning? It's here to say, me dear buffo, na me de frame one a pay, sink a moon master, my mammy. Na and pay you for any me ferry for the brain, my may I call her, and you for any and conform me cassa. Na mentia na nese me akwala ontie futu enti masamba mu enim dua me de Rosemond Brown nyina enie hwene nyina asan mo fa nche no na mu yi esan eni amane biara emfi ne so ye die enye ne die da masisi motie
It's here for in some nina between a year Zandy Camel and a Capin Polo. Trewagging our comment box anymore. Na Yadanya say Zandy Camel Nankasapa upon saying 8 year a footful abedane a year diabono. It's in a Trewagging for Medase.